Welcome to this quick guide on how to delete your browsing data in Google Chrome. If you're looking to clear out your history, cookies, and cached files, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or selecting it from your taskbar. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots that you see in that corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you'll find various settings and tools that Chrome offers. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the drop-down menu. Once you select it, a new window will pop up, giving you options for what data you want to clear. In this window, you'll see a section labeled Time Range. Choose All Time from the drop-down menu. This selection ensures that all your browsing data will be deleted, not just the recent history. After selecting the time range, you'll see checkboxes for different types of data. Make sure the option for browsing history is selected. You can also choose to delete cookies and cached files if desired. Once you've made your selections, it's time to take action. Finally, click on Delete Data. This button is typically located at the bottom of the window. Once you click it, Chrome will begin clearing your selected browsing data. Depending on how much data there is, this might take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your browsing data in Google Chrome. Regularly clearing this data can help improve your browser's performance and protect your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using Chrome effectively.